This is a videotape inspection of a 2010 Citizen K16 Type 7. Walk around here. We just got it in on our floor. The serial number K01214. Comes with a cab 16 magazine bar feed. Control, everything's alarm free. Just gonna move a few things around for you. Control looks like it's in really good shape. Buttons. And I have a little flashlight in here so that we can see. And actually right now it's super quiet, but it's running at 5,000 RPM main spindle. And I'm about, I don't know, 6 to 7 inches away from the main spindle. There's the rifle. Move this out of the way. Four live tools. There's a sub spindle. What are we at? 5,000 RPM on the sub. Stop. Okay, this concludes a videotape inspection of a 2010 Citizen K16 Type 7.